here you can see there are total 9 notification which I have not seen till, so it is showing 9. So when I click on this, you can see even I got the offer, guys. You can see, and I have not clicked on this mark as read, so it is showing all the thing. When I click on this, it will go see. You can see when I click on this, that whatever the count was there, that it gone. Now you can see the offers. For example, if another one user has connected, and the two users I'll connect is now, okay, 2 or 3 users, and the connection you can see is here. Here you can see the users new client connected. It will show all the new clients. Okay, now I'll send the notification. So consider there are 100 users, for them also it should go. Okay, so I'll give one more offer. So there will I will put like 100% off. So Diwali offer, any offer you can give, or any notification you want to give, that also you can give, guys. For example, any technical issue is there, that also you can send. Okay, so now what I'm doing now, I'll send the notification, like I'm giving the notification to all the users, all the connected users. Okay, now you can see, guys, here you can see I got offer 100% off on Diwali. You can see, guys, here also I got for this user also. You can see, guys, here I have not opened, now I'll open. You can see, guys, here also I got. You can see, guys, here also I got offer. Right, so how many users are connected now? So that all user they will get the notification if I send one. Okay, so isn't it is working like Amazon only, right? So in Amazon also we get the notifications and all. So this only, guys, today we will see in our videos. Okay, so guys, stay till the end and you will have a fully functional notification bell just like Amazon. Okay, so guys, we'll see that first. So let's do, guys. So before that, what we'll do, guys, we'll do the Node.js server setting, then we'll go for React. Okay, first we'll do the Node.js setting. So for that, what I'll do, I'll go in folders. Okay, so here, new folder. Okay, so I'll write like Amazon notification, noti underscore node. Okay, so I'll understand it is node, it is server code. Okay, so this is a server, guys, guys. Okay, and this one is done, and one more I'll create for my React. So now I'll create, guys, because afterwards also I have to create. So I'll write Amazon underscore notification underscore React. Okay, so this is my React code. So I'll go in notification and I'll open it, like open with VS Code. Yes, I'll take the terminal here now. So we have to create, guys, our server. Okay, so for that, first what we will do, first we'll go in command prompt here, npm init. Okay, so everything will add, guys, like Mongo also we will install, Express also we will install in one part only. Okay, so here is the init y and npm install Express, then Mongoose cos socket.io actually. Okay, so see, you can see, it is installing. Okay, this is done, guys. So whatever the necessary file, that is package.json, I got. Okay, you can see all the dependencies, cost is there, Express is there, HTTP is there, Mongoose is there. Okay, so this is done, and here is my package log. Okay, so log file, and here my node module file is there. Okay, so important necessary modules we have installed, guys. Okay, and now what we will do, guys, before moving to code, I'll tell you the database also is how I have created. So you can see, guys, here I am in MongoDB Compass. You can see here there is my Compass, and here I have created one collection. In collection there is my table, guys. So here is my database. In that database I have created collection, that is notifications. So here you can see, guys, whatever the data is there, that you can see here there is a offer. Then again, if I 25. So if I go here, you can see, guys, whatever the Diwali offer I have given, I got here also, because this all is whatever the Amazon I have done now, that is with backend, guys. Everything backend is there in that. Here I have used sorry, guys, here I have used a database also. Okay, so it's working on database also. So whatever the notification I am sending on that in database also it is storing, guys. So whatever the here it is got, so here also I got, because I'm storing in database also. Okay, so here backend is also there. Okay, so here what I have to do, guys, I have to create one file. The file name I'll give like server.js. So this is my server.js. So what I have to do, guys, I have to import all the things, that is const express is equal to, so there is an require file, so which is express. This is require file. Then next we will take the mongoose, because we are using that. Okay, so here we got, so this we don't want, is require we want default. I'll don't want this, I'll write only. Okay, so const mongoose is there, mongoose. Then here is require, here it will come like mongoose. Okay, so this is done, guys. Next what we'll do, guys, cost we are taking here. So here is require, and here my cost will come. Okay, then here we are using socket IO, right? So for that we have to create server. So here const, and here my server will come. So server, then require, here my HTTP will, sorry, here my socket.io will come, guys. Okay, and double quote socket.io. Now here we'll take HTTP also. So HTTP is equal to require, here my HTTP will come. First I'll write and I'll explain you guys code what it is doing and all. Okay, so first I'll write, that is const app is equal to express. Then next here my server will come, that is a const server we have to create, guys, for our app. So const server equal to HTTP will come, then dot, we have to create a server, so it is create server, and here app is nothing but my server is now. Okay, so here is app. Now what we will do is, now we have to take my another server here, so that is my front end file, guys, that is react. So I am taking here like const, here I am configuring now the socket IO, so I have taken const IO, and here my new server will come. So I'm taking here new, and here my server will come. So I'll copy, guys, otherwise what will happen, so spelling mistake will come. Okay, so I'm taking here server, and in bracket it will be like server, sorry, server. Okay, server, then here cost will come. So here is my cost, and here origin I'll take, guys, here. So origin, and here in double quotes that will be HTTP, which is our react file we're calling here. So HTTP localhost colon 5173 I'll take, guys, sorry, 5173, because right now it is taking it is taking this only. Earlier create react app it was taking 300. Okay, so methods, then here I'm taking a get and post request. So sorry, so here is get, which is this, and next here it will be post. Okay, it should be in double quotes again. Okay, so here we have completed the configuration of socket IO. Okay, so I've taken IO new server. I will cross verification I'm doing, guys. Okay, so what is this, I will tell you, guys. So express, you can see here I have taken here express, right, which is we are using this to create an API server. Then mongoose means it helps the connecting with MongoDB, guys. So we are using this. Then here there is an cost. Okay, so cost is nothing but what, guys, the react will be having different port and the Node.js will be having different port. So to make the communication between that we are using this, otherwise it will give cost errors. So okay, fine. Then next there is an socket.io server we are using, guys, so which will allow the real-time communication between the server and the client. For that we are using this. And HTTP request is nothing but, guys, it requires to create an HTTP request, sorry, HTTP server for socket.io. So this we are using HTTP. Okay, and I'll show you this also, guys. Here we are using database, that is MongoDB Compass. So I'll show once, because we're connecting mongoose to our database, so that also I'll show you guys. So how to create this database, so that already I have done, guys. I have shown you how to create the database, sorry. So you can see, guys, here is my data, and this is my database name, this is my collection. Okay, So this only we are going to use this database where I'm using title, message and message because we are sending the notification, right? So we need title and message. So I have taken this. Okay, fine. So this okay, so till this it is done. Guys, next what we are doing is, next we have created here an express application. So this we are using to create an express application, and next whatever this server HTTP create server app, this we are creating a server instance. Okay, this is needed because the socket IO requires an HTTP server. So for that we are using this. Next we are configuring the socket IO. So for that here we have created an IO socket IO server, guys, which is attached to an HTTP server. Okay, here you can see. So it will, what will it will do, it will allow the connection from this local host, which is React front end, and it supports the get and post method. So we are using this, guys. Next what we need to do, we need to do the middleware setup. So that also we will do here, guys. So here I'm taking like app.use, and here my cost will come. So okay, then next we are using app.use, and here my express will come dot json. Okay, so here course what it will do, it will allow the request from different origins, which is this, and this express.json, it enables the passing of incoming data, which is incoming JSON request. So it will pass in JSON format, guys. For that we are using this. Okay, next we need to connect to an MongoDB. Okay, so what I'll do is, already I have code from that only, I'll copy here, so it will be easy for you guys. Okay, so which will save over time. So I'm taking here for connection, I'm using MongoDB, guys. So this I'll use here to connect with our database. So here you can see, guys, mongoose.connect we have connected. So here is my MongoDB, and this is my database name, which I have shown you here. This is the database name, guys. No, notification DB. So this is the database. Okay, so this we have connected here. Okay, so okay, so this is the connection is done with MongoDB. Then next what we need to do, guys, next we need to define the notification schema. So notification schema is nothing but what type of notification we are sending. So there is there will be a title, there will be a message, right? So that we need to send. So for that what I'll do, guys, already I have, from that only copy till this. So here is my notification schema. So I'll explain you guys what it is. Okay, so I'm taking here notification schema. So this notification schema means what, guys? This notification model, so there is a title, there is a message. So title will be in string, and notification message is nothing but it will be contained. And created means what, guys? When it is created, when the notification has been created, now that everything will be stored in our database, guys. Okay, so it is connected to mongoose only. Okay, you can see, guys, and that data, whatever the data is created, that is title, message, that everything it will get stored in our database. For that it is. Next, guys, here we need to call the API. So for that, after that we need to call the API. So for that I'll use, guys, like app.get, and here my notifications will come, means the path of that or the root of that I can say. So here is my notifications. Okay, then I'm using here async and await method. So I'll take here request, response and request. So here is my request and here is my response. Sorry, see for request what it is coming. Okay, fine. Then here I'm taking, guys, okay, so this is the request and response I'm taking. So after that what I'll do, guys, I have to take the notification, and I have to find the first notification. So for that I'll go here. So here there is an already try catch method is there, so I'll use this only right now. Because of this what will happen is, we are saving our time. So I'll explain this how it is working and all. Okay, so here you can see, guys, there is a notification. So it fetches, what it here is happening is, here there is a get request, right? So what it is doing, it is fetching all the notification from MongoDB. What is the MongoDB is, what are the notification stored in MongoDB, that it is fetching from MongoDB, because there is a notification is our collection, right? Collection, okay, collection name. So from that it is fetching all the notifications. Okay, and this is created, sort created -1 is nothing but, guys, it is sorted by latest first. So what, which first notification will come, which is latest, so that it will consider. So for that we have taken here -1. Okay, then here we are returning the JSON response, that is response.json. So what are the data is that we are returning in JSON format. Okay, after that what we are doing, after that we are handling here errors. Okay, so error, that is console error, and here we are fetching the notifications error. So if any notification, that it will show, guys. Okay, yes, done. Then next what we will do, guys, we are doing the connection with sorry, socket IO connection handling we need to do, so that we will do now. So here there will be IO dot on, and here my connection will come. Okay, and here a sync socket. Okay, and here I'm taking the arrow mark. Okay, fine. Next is console.log. We will show, guys, if the new client has been connected, that I'll show you new client connected, like that. Okay, so how much clients will connect, that will show here only, guys. That will, we will get data here only. Okay, so the connection we will see here, guys. Okay, so this is done. Next, as I told you, this will listen for the new connected clients, guys. Okay, that is socket.io. One thing is this, I have to take outside of this. Sorry, I have taken inside only. Okay, because this is our API. Okay, next we need to handle the incoming notifications. So I'll go here. We'll take that part, guys. So okay, here it is done. Then we need to take the incoming notification. So I'm taking here. So till disconnect, I'll take all the notifications. Okay, so here you can see what, whenever the new client connected, that we will get. Then after that what we are doing is, here we are handling the incoming notifications. So this, what it will do, guys, it will listen for the send notification events from the client. So from the clients, whatever the send notification will come, that it will listen, and it will save that in whatever the notifications are there, that it will save in, guys, MongoDB. Okay, so here you can see it will listen to the new notification, and it will save in MongoDB. Okay, after that what it will do, it will emit the received notification. So whatever the server get the notification, that it will emit, means it will send to an all the connected clients. So what all the clients has been connected to this server, means which are client connected, that all, to that all the client connected will send the notification. Means emit means what, it will send the notifications to all the connected clients, in short, guys. Okay, updating them in real time. So whatever the real time notification it will come, that it will send. Okay, so for that it will be. Then after that what we are doing is, here there is a socket that I would disconnect. You can see we are disconnecting after that. So here what will happen, logs a message when a client disconnects. So if it is disconnected, we will see, guys, here means log, means here we are printing like this client has been disconnected, that we will get here. Okay, so for that we are here disconnecting the server. Then after that what we will do, guys, after that we need to start the server, right? So here we will start the server now. The server, we have to take like server. Okay, server dot listen, and the port is will be 5000. Okay, so port will be 5000 here. And here it will be like, sorry, console dot log, and here my server will come, server. Okay, sorry, spelling mistake is happening. See, okay, server. So we are we are consoling, right? So it should be double quotes, server running on port 5000. This we will see, guys, on console. Here it is connected, then one more is connected. Okay, so we can take in one line also, no problem. Okay, so here my server is connected, guys. Now when I run this, it will show like server has been connected to this port. So we'll see, guys, if any error are there, that we will solve. So to run this, we need to use this command, that is node server.js. Okay, so you can see, guys, it is running now. It is running on port 5000. Okay, so it is connected, guys. Okay, because it is running on port 5000, you can see. Okay, so this is done, guys. Okay, this part is done, you can see. And if you have any question, this you can comment, guys. After this, what we will do, guys, after this we will create an admin, which should be in React. Okay, because as I shown you, there is an admin, right? So that we need to connect now. So you can see, guys, this is the admin. Okay, so this is my admin panel, this is my front end. So now we will create the admin panel, guys. How it is, like this only we will create. Okay, so first what I have to do, guys, first we have to do the React. We need to use, by using VTAP we need to create the React application. So I'm going here in my React, but here nothing. I have not created any application, so I have to create guys that. So for that, I'll go in Vite. Yes, video will become big, but just but sorry, just stay till end. So you will learn a lot of things, guys, here, okay? Because I'm giving a lot of time here, guys. So guys, please support me and even like if you're new to my channel, then guys like, share, and subscribe also, because I'll bring the informative videos only. Okay, so project name I'll keep like admin. So here I React, JavaScript, then cd admin. I'll go in admin, npm install. Okay, after that we'll run the application. Then we will create the admin panel. Okay, sorry, not admin only. Okay, this is done, guys. I'm running this npm run dev. So it is running on this port, that is 5174. Okay, I'll go here. Okay, right now it is like this. Okay, so I have to delete all the things in this. So I'll try to delete that. Means all the things in the sense app.js, I'll remove it. Okay, fine. And guys, next we have to create the admin panel. So what I'll do, guys, already admin panel is there. Just I'll copy it and I'll show you because it will save the time. Okay, so you can see, guys, I have created only the admin panel.jsx file. So I'll create that first. So here, just go here and create one file, that is admin panel.jsx. Okay, so here we have created the admin panel now. So I'll copy the code. I'll explain, guys, how it is working and all. So I'm pasting here. Okay, so okay, here it is done, guys. Then this I have to call in my app.jsx. Okay, sorry, here. So I am copying it, app.jsx, just paste it here. Okay, right now I'll comment this, guys, because I'm not using that. First we are creating the admin panel. Okay, so we'll see here what it is showing. Any error? Admin panel. Okay, importing admin panel. Yes, I'll see here, guys, what is happening. If any error, that will so okay. Notification bell, we have not called it, so I'll comment that part, guys, here. Okay, now also there is an error. React auto dom does not file exist. Okay, so I have to install, guys, that is React auto dom. Okay, npm install React auto dom. Okay, it is giving an error. Okay, let's check, guys, this. So we'll go here, install React auto dom. Okay, okay, I'll copy it. Come here. I'm in admin only, right? Yes. Okay, it is installed, guys. Now we'll run once again. Okay, now we'll see. It's giving something error only. Okay, fail to resolve the import socket IO client. Okay, this also I have not installed, guys, socket IO client, so that I have to install. So guys, we'll copy it, paste it here. So there will be one command that we need to use. So socket IO installation. So I'll write here install socket.io in React. Okay, so here we got. So this I have to install, guys, because I'm using this in my admin panel. Okay, so just install it. Here you can see, guys, I'm using this socket IO client. Oh, just giving error. Socket IO client. Oh, this is coming different already. Socket IO. Socket IO. So only by using, so to install that packages, this will try. Okay, it is installed. Now we'll see guys. Now also something error is there. Okay, does the file exist? Give me some time guys, I'll check it. Okay, I'll go here. Here only, right? Yes. So we'll stop it. We'll install once again guys, that is npm install socket.io client client, right? So now we'll see whether it will work or how. So these all are dependencies. See, it is running now. I'll check guys here whether error is there or no. You can see guys there is no error. Okay, but if I go here in admin, because my path is admin here, right? Yes. Okay, so we'll check here guys in console what I have missed. So it is telling block by course policy. Okay, so I have not installed course also here, so I have to install that guys. I need to install course also here, I think. So I'll try this course, installing course, then we'll see. npm install course. Okay, npm run dev. Okay, now there is no error, but it is telling use routes may be used only in the context of router. It is giving used router, used routes. Okay, so one more I missed guys here. So that is here you can see guys in main I have to use this guys. So I'll copy it. So here I'll paste it. And what I forgot. Okay, done. I'm not using this. Okay, now we'll see guys whether error is there or how. Okay, now there is no error, but it is telling browser router is not defined. Browser router. So anything I missed here again. This I think I have not imported here. Yes, in admin panel it's not there, so it was giving error. Now we'll see guys. Now you can see guys, I got here like title, message and notification. So there is no UI design, so I have to use CSS. So I'll have used it here guys in admin panel. Okay, so index.css, which CSS I've used, that I'll check once. So in app.css, notification bell react. Now but css there is an admin panel. Okay, so these things are there, so I have to use it guys, otherwise it will not work. It will, the design will not be correct. So what I'll do, I'll create here one file. Right now what I'll do, I will go in index.css and here I will copy paste. Okay, and in main I'll make it like this and we'll see guys. Okay, you can see we got something. Later we'll design is that we'll take in center. So right now you can see when we do the now bar that time. Okay, so our admin panel is ready now. You can see guys here. Okay, so admin panel is ready guys. Only the front end part is remaining, that is Amazon. So that also we will see now. Okay, so for that I'll create here one more file. That is here I will tell like notification bell.jsx. Okay, so I'm taking a notification bell.jsx. So I'll go here. Otherwise what I'll do guys, I'll explain it and later in second part I will do that, because the video will become very large guys if I continue here only. Okay, so I'll tell this thing is how it is working. So here you can see there is an use state we are using here. So we have here imported that, and here we are using the socket IO client. So here that we are imported. Then this is a local host, means guys whatever the node server, our node server is running, right? So that node server only we have taken, guys. Here you can see the node server. This is not our, this is a host. So you can see the node server is running right here. Here node server is running, right? So this is running. So guys, what happened here? Just a second, guys. So you can see guys, it is telling already in use, so we are using that already. So here it is running, right? This I have to stop. Now if I run this, it will work. Okay, you can see it is running on 5000 portraits and new client has been connected, is showing. So because of that, guys, we are taking here 5000 port because it is connected. New client connect, sorry, for server, connecting with server. To connect with server we are using this. Then here we have taken title and message, right? Because there are two input fields, guys. One is title and one is message. Okay, so title and message is there. So for that we have taken here title and message. Then after that, here we are sending the notification, guys. You can see enter the title or message. Either it is title. If title is not present and message is not present, it will return the alert like enter the title and message. You can see, guys, here if I click on this, it will show the enter title and message because it is alerting, because we have not added anything there. So it is alerting. And if it is there, then it will come here, guys, notification, title and message it will take, and it will emit the send notification. So it will emit to connected client, guys. And here means server, and here is send set title and set message. Enter the title and message, and when it emits, when I send that, after that it will get clear. So set title and set message means what? It will clear the input field. So if I go here and if I show you guys, you can see I'm typing here, and when I send, it is clearing, right? So for that it is we are using this. Then after that, this is the design, guys. So there is an admin panel. Okay, this is my input field, guys. This, there is a value title, on change event function we are using here. So it is fetching, on change means it will fetch the data, whatever the entered data. Same for text area also we are taking, we are calling here on change, we are fetching the text data. Here is value, here is title. Then after that, what we are doing is, here there is a button, you can see button, and on click send notification. Here is send notifications. Okay, so send notification means what? This function we are calling is. So when I click on this, so here how it is happening is, when I click, that time only it is going, right? See, if I enter, when I click, that function is calling is. When I click on this now, so this function is getting called and it is emitting the notifications. Okay, so till this it is done, guys. So this is okay. So next part we are seeing is, that is how to generate that, how to create the Amazon navbar. So that we will see, guys. Okay, so we'll move to our code. So you can see I'm going in my code, guys. Here, so you can see, guys, this admin panel we have designed. Okay, now the part is notification bell. This we need to design. Okay, so to save our time, what I'll do, guys, already I have created in here, right? So just I'll copy that and I'll explain this how it is working and all. Okay, so just I'm copying this part and here I'm pasting that part. Okay, so this is comment we don't want, guys. This I'll remove for right now. Okay, okay, so this is my notification bell, guys, where navbar is there. Okay, so this I have added here. Then one more thing I needed, guys, for this, there is an CSS. Okay, to design this I'm using CSS, so that also I have to use. So I'll copy that as well. Okay, so where it is, okay, it is navbar.css. So I have to create the file like navbar.css. So I'll create here a file like okay, navbar dot cs. Okay, so I have created the file, guys, here. Then we will copy it. So I'm copying this navbar here and I'm pasting here. Okay, so guys, I'll give the code. Okay, I'll give the code in description. So here you can see, guys, here admin panel is there. So already I have taken admin panel index.css, right, in last video. So what I'll do right now, I'll remove this part because already I am taking this part, admin panel part, in navbar css. Okay, here only it is there, guys. So I am removing that part. Okay, so this is done, guys. Then after that, if I go here in notification, here I have to import the navbar, so it is already imported. Okay, so this part is done. Now we'll see, guys, whether it is working or not. So here it is my admin, guys. You can see admin design is completely changed. Okay, that will see. You can see this is also not working. So something again we have, I have to add something there, guys. Okay, nothing, error is also not there. Okay, so we'll check, guys. This is done. Okay, one more thing, guys. In app.js I have not uncommented this. Okay, so we need to import the notification bell, guys. So the name is notification bell, guys. So I have imported this. Again I have imported here, so same you need to do. Okay, that is notification bell and notification bell. So we need to import here. So here also I have imported, you can see, guys. Okay, done. Now we'll see. Okay, now you can see, guys, I got the navbar, but this is the different thing, guys. So somewhere something again css it is using, so that I have to check. Okay, so here is index.css. So we'll go in main. Okay, in main.css you can see, guys, here there is an index.css. So this we are not using, so it's better to comment again, otherwise it will display there also. Okay, so now we'll see. Okay, now you can see, guys, we got a perfect whatever the admin panel we are designed, same we got. Okay, and if I type here like admin, you can see, guys, again I got admin also. Okay, so guys, this admin, sorry, so this code and even admin panel code, whatever the code is, it so code is same already. I told admin panel code how it will be, and this is a css. Okay, so this code I'll give in description, guys. That is in github. I'll give just copy from there, or I'll link the google link. Okay, so from that you can download this code, okay, and you can try this. Okay, so now everything is done, guys. And one more thing, guys, you need to install the react icons. Okay, so I have installed that because it is needed. This react icon, just copy it and install, because I'm using here, you can see, I'm using here bell icon, right? So that is in react icon, guys. This, okay, these are the react icons. So for that it needs react icon library, so just install this library. Okay, done. So now we'll see the code, guys, how it is working. So if I go here in notification bell. Okay, so here I'm importing, you can see there is an use state, use effect. Again, we are importing the socket IO client because we are using here socket, right? Then these are the icons, you can see these all are the React icons which we are using. So we are importing from this. So I told you guys you need to install this. Then this is my CSS which I told you guys, that is navbar.css. Okay. Okay, so this react, use state, use effect, these we are using to manage, guys, a component states and its life cycle. Okay, so for that we are using these things. After that, socket IO, it is like we are importing the IO from socket IO client, which connects the front end to the back end. Okay, this will connect the front end to the backend server in real time. So we are using that, and these are the real icons, guys, which we are using. That is a shopping cart, then bell, then search. Okay, these are the UI elements which like notification, bell, cart, you can see, or search icon. So you can see here there is an icon, like, so this is one icon, this is one icon, this is one icon, this is one icon. Okay, so for that we are using these icons. Then this is our css file. Okay, so this we are not using, so I'll remove it, guys. That is for logo I have taken, so we'll remove that. Okay, then you can see, guys, here there is a socket, means we are establishing a connection by using this. So this is the port, guys. This port is of our node.js port. You can see this is the port, guys. 5000 is running on 5000, right? So to connect front back end, in front end we are using this, guys. Okay, and to connect this front end in our back end we have used this, where it is this, you can see. Okay, so because of that it is connecting with each other. Okay, then after that we need to define the component states. Okay, so here we have defined a component state, that is notification, then set notifications. Okay, so it stores the received notification, so whatever the notification received, that it will store. And this unread count means what, guys? It will store the number of unread notifications. Okay, and show drop down means it controls whether the notification drop down is visible or not, so that it will control it. Okay, it will show the drop down. Okay, then after that what we are doing is, after that we are loading the notifications and we are listening the new notification. So this part is work for load the stored notification from backend when the component mount. So when the component mount, it will take all the notification in backend, means in database, whatever the notifications are stored, that it will take, guys. Okay, so for that it is. So use effect means it will work on component mount. Okay, then later we have used this socket.io, and there is a load notifications. So what it will do guys, it fetches the stored information when the component load. Then next there is a socket IO receive notification is there, right? So what it will do guys, it will listen for new notification in real time and updates the state. Okay, so for that we are using it will update the state also. You can see here to update the state by using this, so it will update the state as well. Okay, then after that what we are doing is we are returning, right? So this is nothing but guys, we are removing the event listener when the component unmount. Okay, so for that we are using, and because of this what will happen when the memory leaks also. Okay, so for that we are using this function. We can call this as cleanup function also. Okay, then next there is a mark as read. So here I'm using guys like mark as read. Okay, when I click it will show the mark as read. Okay, so that I'll show you guys. For that we are using this thing. Okay, that is this one. So what it will do guys, it sends an event like mark as read to the backend when the user clicks on mark as read. Okay, so when I'll click on this now, that time it will send the notification to the backend. Okay, so for that we're using this. And even it sets the unread count also to 0 and close the notification dropdown. So when it will click now on this unread count, it will make 0. Okay, and it will close the drop down also. Okay, so for that we use this. Then after that this is the navbar design guys. So whatever the navbar we have designed, for that we are using. Then there is a logo container. Then we are adding the logo. Then there is a search bar. Okay, you can see here also I have used the icon for search bar. Then there is a drop down shoot. So we are showing the drop down, right, for count. So for that we are using this code guys. So that is notification bell and cart icon, you can see. So that will work here. Okay, so bell icon you can see here, there is an fa far bell. Okay, you can see there is a far bell. So this where this here what will happen is when we click on this now, it will toggle the drop down, like it will open or it will close, like that it will happen. So to toggle this by using this function guys, that is on click. So when we toggle here, one time it will open, you can see it is toggling, right? Yes, to make that function we are using this. Okay, and parallelly we are reading the counts also. And that there is a red badge, right? Here there is a red badge. Here on notification it will get one red badge, right? Where which means whatever the notification we are sending, it will read that the notification, it will show there. Okay, so to display the red badge if there are unread notifications, so for that we are using is that badge also. Okay, where is that badge? Okay, here only it will generate guys. You can see here there is a badge. Okay, so that it will generate guys badge. Okay, so this is done guys. Then next what we are doing, we have shown here one shopping cart also. This is just showing, we are not doing any function on that. There is an only shopping cart. Then this is the notification drop down guys. So here we are sending the notification to our now bar. Okay, means we are seeing the notification there. Then how it will work means, so drop down appears when the show drop down is true. So when this drop down will appear when it is true, show drop down true, that time this will work guys. Okay, it show drop down only, right? I guess yes, it is show drop down. And when we make mark all as read, then button calls the mark as all read. Sorry, mark as read. Okay, when we click on that, it will call this function, that is mark as read. Okay. Then after that, what we are seeing after that, we are displaying the notification here. You can see there is a title, then message, everything we are showing. Okay, so it will display the notification. Then after that we are here showing the categories list, that is here you can see there is an one drop down, sorry, one data we are showing here, right? So to show that we are using this guys, that is bottom now bar, you can see here we are showing all the categories, whatever the categories are there, that just to make the view nice guys, we have added this. Okay, so this is the thing guys. And here okay, then after that, you know guys, I told you how this admin panel will work. Okay, so everything is done for now. So I hope guys you got how it is working. So sorry, before that I'll show the demo also, so that is pending. So I'll make here one more thing is I'll copy it, paste it here. So this I will make as admin, and this I will make as my neighbor. Okay, so I'll send here now one offer I'll give. So 20% off on all kurta and kurti set, like that. Kurta and kurti set. So I'll send the notification. Now we'll see guys. You can see guys here I got the notification. 20% off on all kurta and kurti sets, right? So how much notification I'll send, that I'll get guys here. So again I'll copy this only. You can change also guys. Okay, and I'll open 2 3 users guys. So this is the second user, this is third user, and this is the fourth user. Okay, so now I'll send the notification. You can see I'm sending the notification. You can see here it is view, so it is showing 2. I have not done mark as read till. Okay, then here you can see I got the one notification, here also one, here also one. Okay, so this was the earlier, so it is showing the 2 notification. I'll click, you can see when I click on this mark as read, it will make it 0. You can see now there is nothing badge on badge, there is no numbers and all. Okay, because it make that as 0. When I click on this it will make it 0. So here also when I click on this it will make it 0. You can see I can see here, but here it will be 0. Okay, so it is working same as Amazon. You can take, or you can take guys this one, what I can say, YouTube also. So in YouTube also it will work like this one, like this only. So if I upload any video now, that time also you will get like this notification, right? Just try that guys. So same it is working. Okay, so I hope you like this, right? So feel this is useful and informative, then guys like, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay connected for more awesome content guys. Okay, so thank you so much guys, and if you have any question you can comment in comment box. Thank you so much. Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, you can see on screen there is an Amazon now bar. Here is a notification button, and here you can see guys there is an admin panel. Okay, so I hope you got some idea, but I'll tell you guys. So guys, have you wonder how the Amazon and Flipkart work? How it shows the real time notification, whatever the notification we got, how it will show. Okay, so guys, today's in this video now we will build a powerful real-time notification system guys using Node.js, Socket.io and MongoDB and React. Okay, so guys, stay till the end because this will video will become large, means bit large it will be, because you will understand all the things because we are writing code and all. Okay, so I'll show you the demo how it will be. So you can see guys, see this is an admin panel, and here there is my Amazon website. You can see I have opened. Okay, consider I have created one website and here it is opened. Okay, so for example, see I have my any e-commerce website and I want to send any offers. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll send offers from here, and that should get in my front end, whatever the users are using they should get, right? So see guys, here I'll give one offer like it's 50%, sorry, 50% off. Okay, 50% off, and this is I'll put like Diwali dhamaka offer. Okay, so Diwali, now there is any season. Okay, there is nothing right now, nothing, right? Marriage is there, right? So marriage offer I'll put. So marriage offer. Okay, so in marriage offer I am giving 50% off in my website, so I'll send the notification. Okay, so I have sent the notification as a owner I sent, and now I will become as a user. So I'm user, so this is my panel guys, and I have logged in. So you can see guys, I'll get the notification. You can see guys, I got your notification. When I click on this, you can see I got that whatever I sent, that I got, that is 50% off marriage offer. Okay, so we can change the text. Right now I have given guys this, you can see I got the notification. For example, if there are 10 users, so whether 10 user this notification will get or not, that also it is important, right? So you can see guys, I have created one more user here. You can see there are total 9 notification which I have not seen till, so it is showing 9. So when I click on this, you can see even I got the offer guys, you can see, and I have not clicked on this mark as read, so it is showing all the thing. When I click on this, it will go see, you can see when I click on this, that whatever the count was there, that it gone. Now you can see the offers. For example, if another one user has connected, and the two users I'll connect is now, okay, two or three users, and the connection you can see is here. Here you can see the users new client connected. It will show all the new clients. Okay, now I'll send the notification. So consider there are 100 users. For them also it should go. Okay, so I'll give one more offer. So there will I will put like 100% off. So Diwali offer. Any offer you can give, or any notification you want to give, that also you can give, guys. For example, any technical issue is there, that also you can send. Okay, so now what I'm doing now, I'll send the notification. Like I'm giving the notification to all the users, all the connected users. Okay, now you can see, guys, here you can see I got offer 100% off on Diwali. You can see, guys, here also I got for this user also. You can see, guys, here I have not opened, now I'll open. You can see, guys, here also I got. You can see, guys, here also I got offer. Right, so how many users are connected now? So that all user they will get the notification if I send one. Okay, so isn't it is working like Amazon only, right? So in Amazon also we get the notifications and all. So this only, guys, today we will see in our videos. Okay, so guys, stay till the end and you will have a fully functional notification bell just like Amazon. Okay, so guys, we'll see that first. So let's do, guys. So before that, what we'll do, guys, we'll do the Node.js server setting, then we'll go for React. Okay, first we'll do the Node.js setting. So for that, what I'll do, I'll go in folders. Okay, so here, new folder. Okay, so I'll write like Amazon notification, noti underscore node. Okay, so I'll understand it is node, it is server code. Okay, so this is a server, guys, mine. Okay, and this one is done, and one more I'll create for my React. So now I'll create, guys, because afterwards also I have to create. So I'll write Amazon underscore notification underscore React. Okay, so this is my React code. So I'll go in notification and I'll open it, like open with VS Code. Yes, I'll take the terminal here now. So we have to create, guys, our server. Okay, so for that, first what we will do, first we'll go in command prompt here, npm init. Okay, so everything will add, guys, like Mongo also we will install, Express also we will install in one part only. Okay, so here is the init y and npm install Express, then Mongoose cos socket.io actually. Okay, so see, you can see, guys, it is installing. Okay, this is done, guys. So whatever the necessary file, that is package.json, I got. Okay, you can see all the dependencies, course is there, Express is there, HTTP is there, Mongoose is there. Okay, so this is done, and here is my package log. Okay, so log file, and here my node module file is there. Okay, so important necessary modules we have installed, guys. Okay, and now what we will do, guys, before moving to code, I'll tell you the database also, guys, how I have created. So you can see, guys, here I am in MongoDB Compass. You can see here there is my Compass, and here I have created one collection. In collection there is my table, guys. So here is my database. In that database I have created collection, that is notifications. So here you can see, guys, whatever the data is there, that you can see here there is a offer. Then again, if I 25. So if I go here, you can see, guys, whatever the Diwali offer I have given, I got here also, because this all is whatever the Amazon I have done now, that is with backend, guys. Everything backend is there in that. Here I have used sorry, guys, here I have used a database also. Okay, so it's working on database also. So whatever the notification I am sending on that in database also it is storing, guys. So whatever the here it is got, so here also I got, because I'm storing in database also. Okay, so here backend is also there. Okay, so here what I have to do, guys, I have to create one file. The file name I'll give like server.js. So this is my server.js. So what I have to do, guys, I have to import all the things, that is const express is equal to, so there is an require file, so which is express, this is required file. Then next we will take the mongoose because we are using that. Okay, so here we got, so this we don't want, is require we want default. I'll don't want this, I'll write only. Okay, so const mongoose is there, mongoose. Then here is require, here it will come like mongoose. Okay, so this is done guys. Next what we'll do guys, cost we are taking here. So here is require and here my cost will come. Okay, then here we are using socket IO, right? So for that we have to create server. So here const, and here my server will come. So server, then require, here my HTTP will, sorry, here my socket.io will come guys. Okay, and double quote socket.io. Now here we'll take HTTP also. So HTTP is equal to require, here my HTTP will come. First I'll write and I'll explain you guys code what it is doing and all. Okay, so first I'll write that is const app is equal to express. Then next here my server will come, that is a const server we have to create guys for our app. So const server equal to HTTP will come, then dot we have to create a server, so it is create server, and here app is nothing but my server is now. Okay, so here is app. Now what we will do is, now we have to take my another server here, so that is my front end file guys, that is react. So I'm taking here like const here I am configuring now the socket IO, so I have taken const IO, and here my new server will come. So I'm taking here new, and here my server will come. So I'll copy this, otherwise what will happen, spelling mistake will come. Okay, so I'm taking here server, and in bracket it will be like server, sorry, server. Okay, server, then here cost will come. So here is my cost, and here origin I'll take guys here. So origin, and here in double quotes that will be HTTP, which is our react file we're calling here. So HTTP localhost colon 5173 I'll take guys, sorry 5173, because right now it is taking it is taking this only. Earlier create react app it was taking 300. Okay, so methods, then here I'm taking